If you're looking for a platform that has actionable marketing training, I'm going to show you the top platform that I've used that has helped me make my first sale on YouTube within 3 weeks of applying this training. Not only has it helped me to continue to create and generate sales on YouTube, but it also helped me generate sales on Facebook and email marketing. I'm going to show you this platform right here. I've been with this platform since the beginning, almost 9 years now, and I absolutely believe in this platform. And just to give you a snapshot of how I came to believe that this platform worked, actually been in the marketing network affiliate marketing realm for a while before starting this platform. Didn't get any results on YouTube and didn't have a following. A lot of people, they can come into this platform and really make a lot of commissions reselling their products. And it's because they have a following. They already have an existing following. That was not the case for me. And it made me a true believer in the training because I started to generate more leads and sales audience using this training. And so I'm in the back office of the Home Business Academy right now under the training that I'm speaking to you about. And under the Get Traffic, the free, you have a slew of training back here that you can dive into so that you can apply this training to your marketing and start implementing this pretty much daily. Or if you don't work on the weekends, you can do this Monday through Friday or whatever your schedule is. You can implement this stuff to get results. The training I went through when I got my first sale on YouTube was the YouTube ranking training. It is absolutely step by step. However, I do recommend that as you're watching this training, you can see right here is 15 different videos. As you're watching this training, what I did was I had my iPad to the side and it was playing the training for me. And on my computer, I was on my YouTube applying the changes to my account. It tells you how to set up the foundation of your YouTube. And a lot of people have that incorrect and they might be doing a lot of things right on their YouTube, but because their foundational stuff is incorrect, it's not working out for them. So they teach you how to set that up and apply it. And also, if you've been on YouTube for a while, the cool thing is once you go through this, you can apply this training to your previous YouTube. All of the YouTube you might have on your channel is not going to waste. I sat here and I went through the videos. You see, this first one is pretty much giving you why YouTube is a gold mine, is giving you the bigger picture so that you can understand it. And if you can better understand the platforms, you can probably better utilize them to benefit you more. You go down and in these lessons, you have some notes as well as lesson audio and lesson worksheets. And the next training you can see here is search engine optimization. I tell people not to run away from that. I tell people not to run away from this because it's really basically simple stuff here and they'll break it down for you. And once you watch this, it's taking you through the process of understanding what search engine optimization is, which is crucial for YouTube ranking. And again, you have lessons, notes, and your worksheets. You just literally keep going down these modules. And at the end of the modules, you should be applying the things to your channel. Also, you'll understand what it is that you have to do for each of your videos that you publish. You can decide how often you publish it. I recommend no less than once a week. But ultimately, you get all of the training here. And at the end, you have a couple of things that you really want to apply each day or each video that you shoot. You want to apply this master action checklist, as well as some additional things that you can apply to your videos to help boost those videos up. This is just one of the marketing strategies that they have inside of this platform. And my next training that I really like is Simple Free Unlimited Leads with Facebook. As you can see, you go in here and you also get that training straight from the foundational things that you want to understand when doing Facebook marketing, as well as what to post on Facebook, attracting more business with images, diving deeper into image creation, how to grow your friends list, what to say when working with your Facebook friends, which I think this is probably one of the hardest things for people to do these days, because we have a lot of people who are sitting on Facebook, they're engaging, they're having a grand time posting positivity photos and stuff like that, but they don't know what to say to people. And if they are talking to people on Facebook, they're not saying the right things to maximize their results. This will obviously give you a demo at the end too, so that you know what to do when you show up for Facebook. So I definitely recommend this training. Those are two of my favorite trainings. There's also other trainings. Again, I also got email marketing training. And if you like the video I'm going to refer you to, you can also check out the Freedom Accelerator Network. And what the fan is basically a platform that you can get access to should you like this HBA platform and you want to get all of the products. You can get access to the Growth Vault. You have to get all of the products and be active on the products, as well as get our Financial Literacy Academy in order to get this. But what I love about this training is it is a mix of actionable training, and just valuable lessons from verified 6 and 7 figure earners. It's like our Netflix for business owners. You come here and click on a training, browse through. It's like a slew of training, and this is only going to get larger because they are publishing training to this Monday through Friday. If you're interested in checking out this platform and getting access to proven strategies that's going to take you to the next level, if you utilize them, I highly recommend that you click on the link at the top of the description of my video. It's going to take you to this page here, and it says learn how to find your ideal prospects and turn them into happily paying customers so that you can focus on building cash for your family. Once you put your name and your email in here, it's going to email you over a video to explain more of the program. And if you like what you see, you can click on a green button to say that you want to check it out, you want to get in, and it'll take you to a checkout page that'll have you putting regular information in there, like your name, credit card. And that checkout page will give you access to the HBA Premium, which is like a YouTube training, for just $1 if you want to get a trial to this. However, I highly recommend if you want access to the Freedom Accelerator Network, which is this platform here, I highly recommend that you click on all products to get them. And all of these products are usually beneficial to anybody marketing online. You'll be able to get access to the funnel builder, which will help you automate your business more. You'll get access to the Let's Go, which will help you achieve your goals, take great notes, and maybe even journal, depending on what you want to use it for. You can click on that. And once you place your order, the last thing will be the Financial Literacy Academy. If that resonates with you, you can get access to that as well. And that'll give you access to all of the training we have, step-by-step training, whether it is Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, short form videos, email marketing. You'll have access to that. And you'll also have access to our community, which is available to you Monday through Saturday every week to help you achieve your goals. This is the Real Robin Williams, and I'll see you on the top.